गोवा प्लान कर लिया है बट गोवा का स्टेकेशन अगर आपने गलती से गलत चूज कर लिया है तो गोवा का पूरा ट्रिप खराब हो जाता है. बट what I found a place which is budget friendly, aesthetic and super comfortable like a hotel. So this is my stay at Citadines Arpora Nagoa, Goa. Trust me, you will save this. And you know what? Why we choose this property? Because it's located in Arpora, North Goa, which is exactly at 36/1C Mendes, Wadome. Because honestly, the location is one of the biggest plus point. Because jitni bhi happening Goa spots hai na, wo sab nearby hai. While the property itself still very peaceful and relaxing. So now let's talk about the ambience because honestly property में enter करते ही ना vibe completely ही change हो जाती है because the moment you walk in it ना it instantly gives that luxury Goa vacation feeling because everything looks so aesthetic, colorful, cozy and beautifully designed that automatically आपका mood fresh हो ही जाता है. The lighting here is honestly one of my favorite parts because especially during evening time the warm light make the entire property glow so beautifully that every corner literally looks like picture perfect. मतलब हर जगह ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि बस कैमरा निकालो और फोटोज क्लिक करते जाओ. द इंटीरियर्स आर मॉडर्न बट एट द सेम टाइम super calming. It's not too loud or overdone. Everything is so maintained, such a classy and elegant way that the whole place feels so premium yet very comfortable. Proper luxury vibes, but still very homely. What I personally love the most is that despite being close to all that happening places in the North Goa, जो प्रॉपर्टी है ना ये इट फील्स वेरी पीसफुल. बाहर गोवा की एनर्जी और अंदर कंप्लीट रिलैक्सेशन मोड लाइक ऑन हो जाता था बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली द बैलेंस इज वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड. Color, decor, open space, lounge areas, everything feels so thoughtfully designed, and even casually walking around the property feels so relaxing and aesthetic. So let's talk about the dining area, which is my most favorite part because honestly, this place instantly gives such calm and luxurious breakfast vibes. The entire dining space is designed beautifully because it feels so fresh, spacious, and super welcoming to the moment you enter. The sitting arrangement is very classic, comfortable, and I really loved how clean and aesthetically maintained everything looked. The combination of warm lighting, modern interiors, and peaceful atmosphere makes the whole dining experience feel even more relaxing. If you go there now, तो आपको क्या feel होगा कि if you're doing breakfast or dinner or a lunch, so you want to spend more time over there. Breakfast is fabulous, everything is there and there's no chaos. बस peacefully बैठो, enjoy करो अपना खाना, sip your coffee and बस Goa vibes. And the ambience of the dining area itself makes you want to spend more time there. And what I also like now, the space feels very open and airy. This place look really beautiful from the decor to the table setup, and also food is so good. Food बहुत ही अच्छा था, everything is so good, neither too much spicy, neither too much simple. So everything is so balanced. Honestly, even simple moments like this now, breakfast and dinner and lunch makes so special. What do you want?
Mom, take out the same. Mom, take out the same power battery.
And honestly, the swimming pool area is one of the most beautiful part of the property. The entire vibe here feels so refreshing, luxurious, and peaceful at the same time. Blue water, cozy sitting, and soft lighting and open atmosphere together create that perfect Goa vacation mood because everyone is there. The family is there, all the like a genuine crowd is there. During the daytime it looks super tropical, and by the evening whole poolside transform into a dreamy aesthetic space. This is kind of a place where you just want to relax, slow down, click pictures, and enjoy the moment. And if you love aesthetic content like me, then trust me, the
Yes,
poolside
I'm making
here
a
is
video.
absolutely Instagram worthy from every angle. Now finally come to the room tour. So this is actually a luxurious apartment style suite with a super spacious and premium setup. So मेरे सामने आदवेद अब डांस कर रहा है, एंड सामने ही एक वॉशरूम भी है. एंट्रेंस बहुत ज़्यादा luxurious है, एंड ऑल्सो this didn't even feel like a normal suite hotel room basically. और entrance area itself looks very elegant and beautifully designed. Room layout भी बहुत ज़्यादा huge है, so which instantly gives that a luxury stay feeling. And you know what I genuinely loved is that the suite comes with a small functional kitchen setup with a small functional things over there. Everything is there. So especially for the families or longer vacation, I think this kind of a suite is perfect for them. इनसाइड देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सेपरेट बेडरूम स्पेस जो कि मैं आपको अभी दिखाने वाली हूँ. सो अब हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, और मैं जाते जाते आपको ही रूम टूर दे रही हूँ बेसिकली. सो इन द इनसाइड देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सेपरेट बेडरूम स्पेस which feels very cozy, private, and along with two big washrooms that are very spacious and well maintained. Everything look extremely clean है, बहुत modern है, and thoroughly and thoughtfully arranged बहुत ज़्यादा है. और one of the best part of this suite ना was the बैकयार्ड एरिया. यहाँ पे अभी यहाँ तक कहानी इसकी खत्म नहीं होती है. देयर इज ऑल्सो अ बैकयार्ड एरिया. अभी सामने मैं ये हूँ, और ये बहुत बड़ी सी आपको यहाँ पे अलमीरा दिख जाएगी. यू कैन यूटिलाइज योर स्पेस अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. सो दिस इज अ बिगर वॉशरूम. आप देख सकते हो बड़ा वाला वॉशरूम ये है. दिस इज द बिगर वॉशरूम जो कि इनसाइड द बेडरूम से अटैच्ड ही है. एंड जिसकी मैं बात कर रही थी दैट वाज द बैकयार्ड, बेसिकली बैकयार्ड एरिया की, वो मैं अब आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ. सो द बालकनी एंड द बैकयार्ड, वट एवर यू से, दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्पेस विच ऑनेस्टली मेक्स द होल स्टे फील इवन मोर प्रीमियम and luxurious. It gives such a calm, relaxing atmosphere, almost like your own private vacation corner. So this is the whole backyard area is ours. So the entire room setup with the बैकयार्ड, इतना बड़ा बैकयार्ड एरिया यार, एंड द प्रॉपरली लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट वाइब्स इंस्टेड ऑफ रेगुलर लाइक होटल दैट वाज बोरिंग स्टे. ये ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. दैट वाज, लुक एट इट, इट वाज वेरी स्पेशियस, static, comfortable and perfect for relaxing Goa trip. So ये पूरा बैकयार्ड था. आप यहाँ पे बैठ के चिल आउट कर सकते हो, मॉर्निंग में योगा कर सकते हो, whatever you want to do, you know. This whole space, this whole sweet apartment is ours. And that's a wrap for our stay here. And this property was such a vibe. Next time I go आऊँगी ना, definitely I'm going to stay here. और आप लोग भी पक्का stay करना. You will love this. Now it's a checkout time and we are heading for more Goa scene. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye. बस no need now.
Last one है mom.
Okay.
देख लो, palm trees, coconut trees. Whoa.